Hi, I am Javier Gonzalez, lighting consultant here at Hive. In this video, we're going to go over the different segments that you need to know before your consultation. What to expect, product, cost, warranties. Yes, what to expect. Basically, we expect a set of design plans for your lighting. We'll discuss it with our design team to get the specification of your lighting. And then eventually we get to your home. But we'll do a walkthrough and walk through the different areas of the house to determine what is the right fixture, the right color temperature, the beam angle, and other factors that come into play to create the perfect ambience for your lighting in your house. What products do we carry here at Hive? In our lighting department, we have basically ambient lighting, accent lighting, decorative lighting, task lighting, and outdoor lighting. Of course, we gotta light up the indoor and the outdoors of our homes. So let's start with ambient lighting. Just a specific room where we can go ahead and from in-ceiling fixtures, creating the whole lighting for the ambient of that room. Then we go into the accent where we want to create a wow factor, like showcase your artwork, all your sculptures, or anything that has a specific meaning within that area of the room. Then we go into decorative. Just imagine walking into your house and the first thing you see is that amazing chandelier hanging from the ceiling. And then we go into the task lighting. You might have a home office where you need to go ahead and do a specific task in there. Believe it or not, task lighting can be included in the kitchen area because when you cook, you're creating a task for that. And then we go into the outdoor lighting where we can basically light up our pools, outdoor sculptures, the architectural side of the house. Anything that you can imagine can be light up by Hive. So what is the cost for a lighting package here at Hive? There's so many elements, so many variables that can determine that, including the square footage of your home, and believe it or not, the height of your home. So what I'm talking about, basically your typical normal 8 to 10 feet high ceilings will have that standard price. But then when you start talking about ceilings that go into 15, 20, and 30 feet high, that increments the pricing. So it all depends on the type of home that you have. Then let's talk about, to be more specific, what it can be the cost on a specific fixture. So let's talk about in-ceiling recess. That could be between $250 to $1,250. And then we start talking about sconces to light up your walls, $300 easily to $4,000, depending on the type of sconce that you decide to have for your home. And then there are other variables that will go into how much accent lighting you're gonna have in the area, if you're gonna have track lighting, and other type of designs that you may have in your house. Now, most important, the statistic here in Florida is about 7.5% to 10% of the value of your home. Basically, if you have a $1 million home, you can be spending between $75,000 to $100,000 just in your lighting package. Let's talk about warranties. And it's basically divided in two different segments, indoor and outdoor. On the indoor world, we have brands like DMF, WAC Lighting, Aspire, and basically they have the standard warranty of about 5 years. Then we go into the outdoor where we have Hunter FX Luminary, then we have also WAC Lighting and Aspire Lighting. They depend on the manufacturers, but you can see the standard 5-year warranties, but there are other manufacturers that can extend it to 10, 15, and 20 years. But you're also backed up by our service plan through Hive Care. And I want to thank you for giving us the opportunity to become your lighting consultants here at Hive.